Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find where the fuse for the transmission control module is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. You may have up to 3 fuses and one of those could be hidden, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about that, and we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuses, and if your transmission still doesn't shift right after you check the fuses, okay, we have a video that will teach you guys why transmission does not shift on Dodge Challenger. All that will be covered, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. What do we have specifically here? 2018 Dodge Challenger guys. Even if you have a V6, V8, it will work for both. So what we're going to do, we'll come and open the hood. We have a little bit of a fender bender here guys, but okay, the hood latch is right here, so yeah, let's go ahead, open it now. Perfect. And what do we have here now? Okay, is the V6 3.6 engine guys, that will have tons of video on that engine. Now specifically what we have, that's a fuse box here. We need to press down on this side, and you open it up. I'll put the cover there. The fuses guys, okay, that we need to check now. Okay, will be a few fuses actually. We need to check 2 fuses here now, and the first fuse will be fuse number 29 guys, fuse number 29. Now you wonder where that fuse is located, but if you come right here, that 15 fuse, that fuse is the one for the transmission guys, control module, one of them. Then you have one more fuse here, that's known as fuse number 37. So if you come from right, 1, 2, 3, the third fuse here, okay, that fuse, that's the one guys for the transmission control module 2. These 2 fuses, okay, this one, this one here. Okay, so it's very important to test the fuses. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test a fuse and a relay. Check it out, because if you think it's a good fuse but it's actually bad, you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money to fix your problem when all you have to do is test the fuse. Now we have one more fuse guys that's hidden, and it's actually in the trunk of that Dodge Challenger. Okay, let us show you. So we'll go ahead, open the trunk now. Let me see if we have enough clearance. Yep, perfect, that's it, that's good. So right here under the carpet liner guys, okay, we have it lifted here, you can see. Okay, but all we have to do, just lift it up, and here you have a fuse box, and that fuse box, if you pay attention here, you have one notch that you need to pry and it opens up. Now one thing that we need to talk about that fuse box guys is the fact that I recommend to disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses, especially for transmission, for engine computer, for airbags or anything involved like that. And if you hold the fuse lead like that, that layout here will correspond to what we have specifically right there, and the fuse that we need to check will be fuse number 26. Some will have it, some will not, okay, but it will be, okay, that second fuse right there, not the first one but the second fuse number 26 guys, could be for the transmission as well. And this one guys, okay, will be, if you have it, in most cases for that specific gear, will be, I believe, a 15 fuse. Okay, so that's the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If the transmission still doesn't shift on Dodge Challenger, we will guys have a special video that will teach you why transmission doesn't shift on Dodge Challenger. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.